Okay, today we will play dry pouring. So this is mat, tray, containers. Yeah, jug. Yeah, I will pour this colorful rice into these containers. Okay, make it slowly. It's okay.
Mama lupa.
Yes.
Lupa.
Okay. Once more.
Wow.
Yes. Now, this is my turn to pour it back. This is my turn to pour it back. Yeah. Once more.
Wow.
Alright. Now is Rere turns. Okay. You may try. You may try, Rere. Okay, it's okay. Next. For the next container. Yeah, it's okay. For the next containers. Yeah. This one? This one? Yeah. Alright. How to pour it back? Yeah, slow.
Wow. Really open it.
Yeah. Once more. Alright. Thank you, Rere. Pause dulu ya, kita beresin dulu. Okay, now it's your turn. Please dry pouring. Yeah. Yeah, slow. Okay, next. To the next container. Alright. Please wait. Yeah. How to pour it back? Alright, this is Elena's turn. Okay. Alright, thank you, Elena. Yeah. Alright, thank you.